This is one particular act based on religious rights of Muslims. Will surely harm the objectives of this Waqf board. That's why we oppose it. However, we gather here in Quetta public ground to protest against Waqf Amendment Act 2025. This is one particular act based on religious rights of Muslims, and we Muslims are the first one to have such kind of bill or the act all over India. After that, different religions have demanded and have their own rights and acts. However, under this BJP government, a bill has been passed and converted into act which we oppose. Tooth and nail, we oppose this bill, and this bill should not be implemented in a country like India, where every religion have their own different colors and rights. So in a country like India, where democracy has been implemented since independence and where republic rights has been to all the citizens of the country, we oppose this bill tooth and nail, and this bill should be revoked by the government of India.
So from where you started, who are the participants group?
The participants are the civilians from Quetta, as well as the civil organization of Quetta village and surrounding villages. Not just Quetta, the Muslim populations or the Pangal people residing in Manipur, they have come and supported us for this cause.
From where you have started your rally?
Our rally has started from Quetta public ground, and we passed through all the routes of Quetta village, where we have already traveled more than 3 kilometers, and we finally reached this destination again.
In this particular amendment bill, what are the core issues that you have objected?
The core issues is they are trying to grasp the rights of the Muslim communities. Not just that, the participants of this Waqf board, they try to intrude some non-Muslims. That was what we don't want. Not just that, these Waqf properties are the properties that are already for charity purpose, for the development of the community, for masjid, mosques, kabristan, and all those medical and educational facilities meant for minority Muslims. But the participation of non-Muslims in this particular board may harm our objectives. That's why we oppose this bill. Not just that, this all the properties under Waqf, these are all from charities from different Muslim sections. Since our prophets, we have to say, and during Mughal period, not just that, after independence also there are lots of Waqf land or areas where it has been given for this purpose. But this introduction of this amendment in this Waqf board will surely harm the objectives of this Waqf board. That's why we oppose it.